Growing up, we probably all have been told at one time or another to drink our milk and to eat low-fat dairy products. The reason we were told this is because our parents and caregivers knew that by consuming calcium-rich foods our bodies would greatly benefit and our bones and teeth would be healthy and strong. They were right, as it is true calcium plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. However, calcium not only helps to keep our bones and teeth strong and healthy, it is a very important and essential nutrient for the entire body. Calcium also plays a very important part in keeping our heart muscles healthy. It helps to control and regulate our heartbeat, and it helps our nerves function and assists with many other bodily functions. Everybody needs calcium in their diets. Young children and teenagers need sufficient calcium in their diets so they can take full advantage of the calcium storage in their bones. As we age, we need to get sufficient dietary calcium to help us minimize the loss of calcium from our bones, because the majority of the body's calcium, approximately 99%, is stored in your bones. We also need an adequate amount of calcium in the body because the other 1% is stored in the rest of the body and is for all other bodily functions. Some good sources of calcium are low-fat dairy products, fruits, and fortified cereals and grains. However, due to processing and manufacturing, the majority of the nutrients in the food we eat are depleted. So, it is sad to say, we really are not getting as much calcium from our diet as we think we are. It is safe to say that it makes a lot of sense to take calcium supplements along with eating a healthy diet to make sure that our bodies get what it needs. Even though supplementation is a good idea, you should know that not all calcium supplements are created equal. One such calcium supplement that is well absorbed by the body and is very beneficial all bodily functions is called coral calcium. But what is coral calcium? Simply put, coral calcium is just calcium. However, coral calcium benefits have an advantage over other types of calcium. Marine coral calcium has a wide range and optimal mix of major and trace minerals. It contains calcium, magnesium and trace minerals, and the ratios of these minerals match the human body's ratio perfectly. Some forms of coral calcium supplements are inferior because some of the other vital nutrients have been lost since they have been baked by the sun for thousands of years. Marine-grade coral calcium is harvested miles away from shore below sea level. All of the essential minerals are preserved by nature and made available by carefully removing them from the seafloor away from the live reefs is not to disturb them.